How to change your post view emoji on Snapchat. In this video I'm going to show you how you're able to change your post view emoji on Snapchat. But before I do, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so changing your post view emoji on Snapchat is a fairly new feature. And to be able to enable this, what you need to do is head over to your profile by tapping on the profile icon in the top left hand corner, and then tapping on the Snapchat Plus button, which appears quite near the top of the page. As you can see, it says it's got exclusive, experimental and pre-release features. So changing your post view emoji on Snapchat is actually a Snapchat Plus feature. So what you need to do is tap on Snapchat Plus, and then you actually have to sign up for Snapchat Plus. So as you can see, there's a couple of different options to be able to sign up for it, and those are the costs there for signing up for it in my country. Snapchat does actually offer a 7-day free trial, so I have another video that shows you how to sign up for a 7-day free trial, so go ahead and watch that video to learn. And then once you've signed up, it will then give you the ability to be able to change your post view emoji. And that's all it takes to change your post view emoji on Snapchat. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.